In this video, we will do further problems from exercise 3.2. Question number 4. In a circle of diameter 40 cm, a chord is of length 20 cm. Find the length of the minor arc of the chord. Okay, so if this is the circle, then the diameter of the circle is 40 centimeters. And let us define AB as the chord, which is given here. And our AB is equal to 20 centimeters. So let's define O as the center of the circle. So let O be the center of the circle. Okay, and OA will be equal to the radius, and that is equal to, radius is, the diameter is 40, so the radius is 20 centimeters, and that is also equal to OB. OB will also be equal to 20 centimeters, and we know that AB is equal to 20 centimeters. So we can say that let AB be the chord. Okay. Let us draw OC perpendicular to AB. So this point is OC. So this is OC, and OC is perpendicular to AB. So if OC is perpendicular to AB, then it will bisect this angle equally. So the length of CA will be equal to the length of CB, and it's perpendicular here. So let OC be perpendicular to AB. Therefore, we can say that the length CB and the length AC will be equal to 10 and 10 centimeters, because the AB chord is 20 centimeter and C is exactly the midpoint of AB. So AC will be 10 centimeters and CB will be 10 centimeters. Therefore, AC is equal to 10 centimeters and our BC is also equal to 10 centimeters. Now from the right angled triangle OCB, let the angle at O be theta. Then this angle will also be equal to theta. So in triangle, which is a right angle triangle, we can say sine theta is equal to, sine theta would be opposite side by the hypotenuse. Opposite side is BC divided by OB, and our BC is 10 centimeters, so it is 10 divided by AB is 20. So this is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, our theta is equal to pi by 6 or 30 degrees. Now, we can say that our angle AOB will be, angle AOB is equal to the angle AOC plus angle BOC. Now we have found that the angle BOC, which is theta, is equal to pi by 6, and our angle AOC is also equal to this angle, so they are both theta. So it's theta plus theta, which is equal to pi by 6 plus pi by 6, which will be equal to pi by 3. So the arc AB, the length of the arc AB, length of the arc AB will be equal to, the angle is 60 degrees, so it is 60 divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So since this is equal to 60 degrees here. So further simplifying this will be 6 and this will become 3. So this is equal to pi by 3 into our radius is equal to 20. So the answer would be, substituting the value of pi as 22 by 7, we can rewrite this as 22 by 7 into 20 by 3, and this comes to 20.95 centimeters. Question number 5. Find the degree measure of the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 100 centimeters by an arc of length 22 centimeters. So here you're given the radius of the circle as 100 centimeters and this arc length is given as 22 centimeters. So you need to find the angle theta. So let's define the radius r is equal to 100 centimeters and then the arc length is equal to 22 centimeters. Now we know the definition of arc length is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. So substituting the corresponding values, we know the arc length is 22, so 22 is equal to theta divided by 360 into 2 times pi, or the radius is 100. So if we are going to rearrange this, we can actually cancel these two zeros and this will become 18 here, and further you can cancel this as 11 and a 5. So you'll be left with theta is equal to 11 into 18 divided by 5 into 7 by 22, which is the value of pi reciprocal. So further simplifying this will be 2 and this will be 9. So you're left with 63 divided by 5. So which is nothing but 12 degrees. 60 divided by 5 will be 12. Then you're left with 3 by 5. So if we write the 3 by 5 as minutes, then you need to multiply it with 60 minutes. So that would be equal to 12 degrees. And simplifying this, you get 36 minutes. Therefore, the required degree measure is equal to 12 degrees and 36 minutes. Question number 6. What is the length of the arc intercepted by a central angle of measure 41 degrees in a circle of radius 10 feet? So here we are given the angle here is 41 degrees and the radius is 10 feet. So this radius here is 10 feet. So you need to find the length of the arc. So you need to find this length. Okay. So let's define the angle theta is equal to 41 degrees and the radius of the circle r is equal to 10 feet. So arc length is equal to, we know the formula, theta divided by 360 into 2 pi r. So substituting the values of theta is 41 divided by 360 into 2 times and our pi is 22 by 7 into the radius r is 10. So if we try to simplify this, then this can be 18 here, this is a 1, again a 9, 11, so you'll be left with 11 times 41 divided by 7 times 9, and that is equal to 11 times 41 is 451 divided by 63. Further simplifying this is 7.16 feet. Therefore, the required arc length is equal to 7.16 feet. Question number 7. If in two circles, arcs of the same length subtended angles 60 degrees and 75 degrees at the center, find the ratio of their radii. So what we have here is, you have two circles. So let's say this angle here is given as 75 degrees, and in the second circle the angle is given as 60 degrees. But the length here, if this is say length S1, then, and this arc length is S2, this S1 is equal to S2. So they have different radii. So the radii is, you can define it as say R1 and R2. We need to find the ratio of their radii. So we know, so let's define first. So let R1 and R2 be the radii of the two circles, and the respective central angles arc will be 75 degrees and 60 degrees. Now our S1, which is the arc length, is equal to 75 divided by 360 into 2 pi R1, and our S2, which is the arc length of the second, is defined as 60 divided by 360 into 2 pi R2. Since S1 is equal to S2, it implies that 75 divided by 360 into 2 pi R1 is equal to 60 divided by 360 into 2 pi R2. So simplifying all the common terms, we can rearrange this as 75 pi is equal to, pi is cancelled, so it's R1 here, is equal to 60 R2. So further you can say R1 by R2 is equal to 60 by 75. So further simplifying, 60 and 75, they're divisible by 15. So this is 4 by 5. Therefore, the ratio R1 is to R2 is equal to 4 is to 5.
Thank you for watching Maths Tutorial Anand. Please like, and you can comment if you have any questions, and do not forget to subscribe to get more videos like this.